brining. This is a technique we use in the restaurant frequently. We do it with chicken, pork, turkey, and even veal chops. It's a great way to take these white meats and add a lot of moisture and a lot of flavor. I start with some black peppercorns and whole fennel seeds. I crush them up with the bottom of a pot to release some of their flavor. Chop some fresh red chilies for a bit of spice, and then I take the back of my knife and bruise my rosemary to release some flavor and essential oils. Slide in a few bay leaves, and then some brown sugar that adds color and flavor, a little bit of sweetness. A whole sliced shallot, 1 bulb of garlic split, I'll quarter up a yellow onion, and then I add a few slices of fresh ginger because I like the zing it provides. We'll season generously with a few heaping tablespoons of kosher salt. Cover the brine with about 1.5 quarts of cold water, then onto the stove. We'll bring it to a boil just so our sugar and seasonings all dissolve. Then our brine is ready. Our brine has been brought to a rolling boil. I'm going to strain it into a large glass container. And now all of these aromatics have given up their flavor. So we're going to set those aside. And it's not a lot of brine, but we're going to double the amount by adding ice to cool it down. This is a good trick because you want your brine cool. We'll take another glass measuring bowl. We're going to add our pork loin. That's about a 2-pound pork loin. And then we're going to get this nice and cooled down and we'll pour it over. Now that our brine is fully cooled, you can pour it over the pork. You want to cover it by about 1 inch so it's fully submerged. And then you put that in the refrigerator for about 6 hours, or better yet, overnight.